Walk toward me. Hercules, want cookie?
He's not doing it anymore. I feel so bad. Make him run with it.
He's getting used to it.
Make him run with it. Make him run good at it.
He's quiet now.
Papa, you don't scratch me anymore.
His back one is really.
All right, put him down. Put him down. Hercules, come here, buddy. Come here, buddy.
Oh, don't look at me.
What? What you got on your feet? Shoes? Come here. Come. Come. Come to daddy. Somebody get him to walk over here. Come.
Come on. Hercules.
Bring a cookie over here, Joe. All right, now wait. Now walk back. Walk all the way back. Get down.
Run.